Hi guys, this is the French Jurgen from Quant again. So I'm following up my first and second video for this position, and this is gonna be the third one, and I'm gonna show you what basically happened. So the market, as I was keep telling you guys, that sometimes it can surprise you. So that things happen to me. As you see on this screen, so the market so far goes against me, and I'm done minus 261%, and the dollar value equivalent is going to be minus $94. And as you see, the market keeps changing because of like trade, right? So but as I promised, I'm going to keep you posted. So this is the third video for that one. I'm going to switch to the chart screen, and I'm going to go to the 1 hour position. As you see, at this point, the market just soar up, and it hits 107.108, which means $107,000 and $108. $107,108. Yeah. So it hits that point and bounce back towards down, and right now is at 105,878, and is fluctuating. So still, if I'm gonna go to 4 hours chart, as you see in 4 hours chart, still market didn't go up that much. So I'm not gonna do anything at this point. I'm gonna hold on to it still, and I'm gonna see what kind of reaction I'm gonna get to the market. But if the market is gonna keep raising against me, so I'm gonna go to my principles, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do things and address the problem. I mean, as I told you, I'm not gonna lose this trade, and I'm gonna even get out of it with the profit, not with lose. So this is the third one, as I said, third video, and this is kind of very quick updates for you guys. So up to next video, I'm gonna wait for it to see what kind of reaction I'm gonna get from the market, and based off that, what's gonna be my strategy in regards of address the problem and remedy my loss. A couple of days has been passed, and so far the market keeps going against me. So basically, in the 15 minutes chart, if you're gonna see, so the first position that I got into was at this point. You see, the S means sell. So I get the position of the sell to go short, and the market goes against me, and I got the second position like yesterday because the market goes against me. This is a specific techniques that I choose for myself, and this is the second position. As you see, the other S over here, which is short, stands for short. I got to the second one, and if I'm gonna go to 1 hour chart, so you're gonna see two S's. That means that's the first position on the left hand side, and the second one is the next to it, just a little bit upper than that one. So far again the market goes against me, and I have two positions. The total position for the first one was like $35 and some change for the margin, and for the second one it was another $50. If I'm gonna come to the main history, as you see, it says margin. So my margin is $94.09, and that's a total of two positions that I got into. So basically, in the cryptocurrency brokerage, they average out. That means they're gonna see the first position when you get to it, and then if you're gonna go for a second position, and depends on what kind of position you got, whether bullish or bearish, they're gonna put it together and divide it to two and come up with the middle number, and they're gonna give you that number as a standing point. So basically they're gonna average out to see what your standing point is. So far, as you see, the market based off the return on investment, I'm minus 411%, and total loss is $378, and because this is the live trade, so as you see, the numbers keep changing, right? So I just wanted to give you some updates for this one. So up to next video, just stay tuned. We're gonna see how I'm gonna deal with this position that I got into and how I'm gonna get out of it with some profit as well, not even lost. Thanks.